common table expression allows us to take a query and store its results inside of a temporary table. Let's say that I would love to get the average salary of this table of employees. I can do this statement. So I can do select and call the average aggregate function on the salary column. And then it will give me the average salary based off all the employees. So I can do select average salary from employees. Let's try to execute this. And now I can take the result of this query and store it inside of a table called average salary. This is a temporary table. Let's give it a name called average salary. I will specify the S keyword to declare it as a common table expression. And now I am going to open brackets and specify my query inside of them. This is our query in our case. And as you can see now, I will just do select all from average salary. It will give us the results of this query inside of a temporary table, which is called average salary. You can see here are our results. I can, for example, specify another query here. It doesn't matter what we specify, it will get inserted into our table's name, our temporary table's name. For example, I can specify numbers here. If I will just execute this line alone by itself, it will give me those 3 numbers. Now, if I will execute the whole code, it will give me the same results. Now let's go back to our previous query, which is this. And as you can see, we got the average salary. We can make our query much more interesting and useful, which will justify our use case of the common table expressions. Let's try to select again from employees. I would love to take a look at table. And now we can see all the salaries. So I would love to know which employees have a salary which is higher than the average salary in the company. So we can do it by this. So we know that the average salary is being stored within our table, which is our temporary table, which is called average salary, of course. So now let's do this. Let's do select all from employees. I will add a bit of spacing. And here I can do where salary is higher. And then I can specify a subquery, which will give me the average salary from our temporary table. So let's do it. Select all from average salary. And now I will execute our whole SQL statement. And as you can see, here are all the employees who have a salary which is higher than the average salary. Let's see all the employees who have a salary which is less than the average salary. I can change this symbol, which represents less than now. And now here are the results.